Hello everyone and welcome to How to Browse Your YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make gradient text in Davinci Resolve. So that's super easy. So now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is to first import your video, your text, your image or your video. And now once you have the video on the timeline, what you can do is simply you can also click on this button so you can see all the effects, and from here just select the effects, and you have enabled effect pool and effects. You can click again media pool, so you can turn off media pool or just disable. We don't need media pool, we only need the effects. And here in toolbox we have video transitions, audio transitions. Please select titles, and now please select text plus. Grab the text plus and drag it over the video, and here what you can do is to simply increase the size of the text. You can also change the color, but that's not what we want. Make it bold a bit and change the font if that's what you want. And now let me show you can make a gradient text. So go to shading, and here in text type please select gradient, and from here we can add different colors. Okay, and here at the end okay, and here red. And now from mapping angle you can change the mapping angle the way you like, and mapping size, okay, and mapping aspect as well, and also the character, full image or text or line. Okay, and that's pretty much how you make gradient text in Davinci Resolve. If this video helped you out, I really appreciate if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials and like this video. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.